Hi. Well, it's been a while, sorry, but we've had lots of things going on. Today I'll be trying to recreate this set. Me and the admin girls on Nail Sugar, we've started to challenge each other each month. It's only a little bit of fun if we get time. So today I'm going to be doing that set today on my Aliena hand. Don't know how you say it. So yeah, these are just the products I'll be using today. I hope you enjoy watching and welcome back. So we're going to start with the pinky finger with this bright neon green. We're only doing one coat of this because we'll be putting a little bit of glitter over the top. Nice thin layer, making sure it's fully covered. Next up, I'm going with orange. I've done this finger and the middle finger the wrong way round, but it doesn't really matter. So I do one coat of this, making it sure, nice thin coat. I'll be adding glitter to this too, so it doesn't matter if you can see a bit of underneath. Next up, purple. I actually do two coats of this one, and I also do two coats of the white on the last finger. So I'll just let you watch this bit and I'll be right back. So I've done white matte top coat on the white, done the matte top coat on the white nail. Now I'm just going in with some base coat, I think it was. Yes, base coat, because I like to part cure it and then add the glitter onto it. Because it just gives it that extra tackiness, if that's even a word. So I'm just putting the glitters on each of the coloured nails. You can get these glitters from nailsugar.co.uk. Best glitters ever. And they also now do chromes and premium water decals and some beautiful rhinestones. So go and check them out. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Probably think I'm a bit mad here, but I put a bit of base coat over the top. I use a separate one for my glitters, just so I don't use it on plain nails. And then I'll go in with a top coat over it as well. I don't know why I do it. I just do it. But yeah, I'll let you watch this bit. Okay, so now I'm going over with some matte top coat because I prefer to do my nail art on matte. Only because when you're doing your designs, the gel paint, or if you're using gel polish, doesn't slip and slide everywhere. It just holds better. So I'll do that and then pop it in for a cure. And then I'm going to get some Goddess gel paint in black and my Nat Mug detailer brush. I'm not perfect with my lines, but I was pretty proud of this set, if I do say so myself. pop that in for the cure, and now I'm just going to do the little eyes on that finger there with some white gel paint. Okay, so now I'm just going in with some no wipe top coat. I wasn't too happy about the purple, so I went in with some no wipe top coat, and then I got the purple glitter again. I've got this little, I think it's like a glitter catcher. So basically you put your finger over it and then put the glitter over the top and it catches it underneath. It's pretty cool actually. I got it from, I think you pronounce it Shane. I call it Shane, but it could be Sheon. I don't know. But yeah, I got it from there. It was quite cheap. So yeah, I just sprinkled this purple glitter on. Let it soak in a little bit. And then just dabbed off the nail and popped it in for a double cure. So now I get this glitter and I pull that out carefully. And all you have to do is tip it back in your pot. Simple, less wastage. And yeah, I think it's pretty cool. So now I'm just brushing off the excess glitter. And there we have it. Hope you enjoyed. If you're not already subscribed, please like and subscribe on this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'm glad to be back. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.